In the previous video, we programmed the Microbit so that it would randomly display a symbol for rock, paper or scissors when button A was pressed. In this video, we're going to program the Microbit to keep track of the number of lives that you have left. Button B will be used to indicate to the Microbit that you have lost one of your lives. And button A and B together will tell the Microbit to display how many lives you have left. When we start, we set a variable for the number of lives to 3. Each time button B is pressed, we change the number of lives by -1 and show the number on the display. Next, we program buttons A and B to display the total number of lives left. Finally, we set up a forever loop so that if the number of lives is equal to or less than 0, we display a sad face. Here's the complete code. Flash it to your EduBit and have fun playing rock, paper, scissors with your Microbit. I hope you found this useful. I'm Chris Evans, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.